Mastering English, understanding floor stand easily. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the phrase, floor stand. Whether you're hearing it for the first time or you've come across it before, by the end of this video, you'll be confident in understanding and using this phrase. So, let's get started. The phrase, floor stand, is made up of two words, floor and stand. Separately, these words have their own meanings, but together, they describe an object or a piece of furniture. A floor stand is a freestanding structure that is designed to stand on the floor. Unlike wall mounts or ceiling fixtures, a floor stand is not attached to anything else and can be moved around. Floor stands come in different shapes and sizes and are used for various purposes. Let's look at some common types. Television floor stand, a stand used to hold a television set. Speaker floor stand, designed to elevate and hold speakers. Banner floor stand, used to display banners at events or shows. Plant floor stand, a decorative stand for holding plants. These are just a few examples. The key idea is that a floor stand serves as a base for something else, providing support and sometimes adding to the aesthetic of a room or space. Now, let's put our phrase into action by using it in a few sentences. I just bought a new floor stand for my living room to keep my photo frames and a vase. The conference room has a floor stand for the projector, making it easy to move when not in use. You may want to consider getting a floor stand for the speakers to enhance the sound quality. By practicing these sentences, you'll get a better grasp of how to incorporate the phrase, floor stand, into your everyday English. And there you have it. You now know what a floor stand is and how to use it in conversation. I hope this video makes the concept clear and helps you in learning more such English phrases. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.